Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Another problem with the E65 E66 we have today guys. It doesn't want to start. We just parked it here. We had to take care of a few things. We were just vacuuming it quick and the vehicle doesn't want to start guys. So let's diagnose and see. Most likely I have the feeling that it's a fuel pump or a fuel pump fuse, and see where the location for the fuel pump fuse is. Okay, let me show you how it doesn't start now. It starts and it dies. Watch now. Okay, see, it feels like it's not getting gas. Let's try again. Okay, he doesn't want to start. So let's go towards the back guys. I'm gonna show you now. You need to make sure that you have the ignition off now. That's very important. Ignition off, pull the keys out of the ignition switch, otherwise you might burn something. So if you open the trunk, okay, that's where the fuses are located for the fuel pump. Okay, so right here you can read now guys, somewhere it's going to say fuel pump, right here. Fuse 73. So 73 should be 20 amp, it's that fuse right here. Let's check it out. You can see, it's burned. Okay, let me grab one quick and we're going to replace it and see if it fixes the problem. So, right here, those are spare fuses, if you need them. That are all right here. Almost E65 E66s. Okay, we installed that one. Okay, let's cross the fingers, see just the fuse and not a bad pump. Okay, let's see. They fired right up guys. So, yep, that fixes the problem. We have a traction control module replacement, ABS module replacement coming soon. This is a very weak spot on those, and we'll show you how to replace it, how to program a used one so you don't have to buy a new one guys. Many videos coming on the channel. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.